So, good morning, America, Fairfield County, and Cranberry Park. It's 6:30. We're trying to avoid the major heat. So I think we're going to be pretty hot today as well. And it's lovely because it's early enough. People are at church. Not too much traffic around. So I have the more complicated ones. Miss Maggie, who has been rather snappish, as I would say this time. Hey, Bubby Skadge, who's been excellent. No crate, no collar, no nothing. Seriously, be proud. Riley, slowly. You're approaching danger. Riley, get off. These two girls. I've been having a few kind of fishwife battles. I mean, generally caused by Riley, because Maggie was quite okay. She just goes for it again and again. Look at that. Lucky has been excellent. Excellent, haven't you been? He has been out and up in the blue room and with no problems. He's now being a grown-up. Come on, honey bunnies. Woo! Coda, excellent. It's like he's been around forever. This is crazy with this doggy here. Hello? Oh, squirrels. No, leave it. Riley. Riley, there's no point. Really. Look. It's really nice when it's cool. Grayson! Kroogie Poogie. Kruger and Wrigley are the only ones that can be with Riley all the time, on their own, and there's no battles. It's interesting, maybe because they're boys and young. Just look. Very nice. Good, get it out of your system. Excellent. Where's Maggie? Oh, Maggie, oh, you're here. Good girl. She got it. She just completely gets it. Hi, sweetie. Hi, Wiley Moose. Okay, go. Little birds. Kruger, your back legs are flying off, honey. I wonder if he's going to grow more. This is interesting.